Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, scroll down to access Security and Privacy. Now click on Device Lock section and click on Face Unlock. Following that, you need to enter your current login method. Then read the disclaimer and all of the instructions and tap on the bottom right corner twice. So set up and set up again. Keep your face in frame. Now you can manage all of those options however you wish to by clicking on those two switchers. When you finished, click on Next at the bottom right corner. So now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. If you wish to delete it, you need to click on Face Unlock again in Security and Privacy section, enter your screen lock, and tap on Delete Face Model at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!